How to hide the chat in the Snapchat. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can hide the messages in the Snapchat. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your Snapchat and you have to go in the chat section. Now here you have to open up the chat that you want to clear from your conversation. From here you have to go in the person profile. Now here is the three dots in the top right corner. You have to click on it, and here is the option of the chat and the notification settings. You have to click on it. From here is the option of the chat clear from the chat feed. You have to click on it, and as you can see that here is the confirmation that this will clear the conversation from your feed, and it will not delete any saved or sent messages in your conversation. So you just have to clear the chat. After that you just have to go back and you have to again click on it and go in the chat and notification setting and clear from your chat feed. Now as you can see that the chat will be hidden. So now how you can unhide it if you want anytime. So you have to click on it and go in the search and search for the person name that you recently added. You just have to scroll down and go in the my friend, and you are able to unhide the chat. So this is how you can hide the chat into your Snapchat. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.